I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge and we're on week 37. And our prompts for today is train, plane, or automobile, and I have this car. A decorative napkin, I've got this napkin. Something found in the mountains, of course I've got mountains, and I've got trees. Painted it all up. A bear is found in the mountains, as well as squirrels. And I'm going to use these animals because I like the way they're shaped and I have an idea for them. But these may be found in Africa, I'm not sure. And we got a bunny rabbit. But most of my animals, I do have something that's found in the mountains. Dictionary page, I've got this dictionary page. An interesting building, I've got this cabin. And the bonus is a paper clip or brad. And I've got this cute little red bird brad. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing pretty good. It's been a really nice day today. And I believe it is even supposed to get down into the, I've got 2 pages here. It's supposed to get down in the 50s tonight. I mean, that's amazing for here. Okay. And let's see, let's get my napkin down. I just kind of want some of the, it's kind of, that my family's watching football. They're getting a little bit noisy. Okay, so I'm just gonna I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I think I'm just gonna tear it. And I know I can I just want a little bit of, I'm really not sure how I'm going to do this collage. Like I have an idea, but not sure how it's going to work. Okay. So I'm kind of thinking along these lines. Let's see, let's bring this on down. Got my mountains, but I'm not sure how this is going to go. And I can add some more over there if I need to. I have got some trees. I have got my cabin. This I kind of want close down here. So let's bring this down a little bit. Just to get an idea of what I'm going to do here. I have got, I don't know, maybe if we could this up here a little higher. Okay. I like that. Okay. Now I can move my car over a little. I know I like this, so let me go ahead and get this down so I'm not constantly messing with it. All right. Get this down. And get this down gently without tearing it. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and you can get the prompts on her from her Etsy store, and it's called Mellow Miller. Okay. Like that. Okay. Now I've already inked everything. Okay, we've got that. Let me get my mountains back in here. Okay. Let me get this one. I'm trying a different glue, so I hope I like it. I like Uhu, but it's just gotten to where it's too expensive. And I see a lot of others using this, so I'm hoping. Okay. I'm still reading the Vampire Knitting Club. I'm almost finished with book 13. Okay. It's been really good. I've really enjoyed it. So far it goes up to book 15. So I only have 2 more to read, although there's another series, the Vampire Knitting Club Cornwall is a different series, so I may have to look into that one. Kind of a split from this one. So far, so good. Now, we're going to have the bear here. And I've got some more trees. I'll go ahead and put that one down. got that. And I'm kind of wanting this one to be kind of looking at the motor. And this one looking in the back seat. We can have a squirrel there. And the rabbit. Kind of like that, maybe. And I can call this Shade Tree Mechanic. That's cute. Let me go ahead and okay. See if I can get these attached. Sorry, I'm quiet. I'm just trying to figure this out. Okay. Oop. Try this again. My fingers are sticky. Okay. Now we'll just get it all glued down. Alright, we're on the last season of the unit, and that has really been a good show. Back down. I'm gonna just pull that off. I like how they're all the wrong size. I guess this would be a surreal. Okay. Find my pen. See if I have everything. See, I've got my automobile. Got my decorative napkin, Something found in the mountains. Got the trees, the bear, the rabbit, the squirrel. Dictionary page. An interesting building. And my paper clip. And I'm just going to add this right to the... I'm just going to do a... punch a hole through here. And the brad will be covered up when I put my paper over for next week. So let me get this on. I love these brads, they're so cute. Alright, so there's my brad. Oops, let me get that. My bear needs his nose down. I like it. I just need something to kind of ground the bottom there, so I'm just going to use these color pencils and just kind of ground everything. And we will be done. I think it's cute. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2024CW37 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all have a great and wonderful week. And until next time, bye y'all.